Hello everyone, this is Megha again, co-founder of TrueWeight, and today I'm talking to Mr. Mananjay from Bangalore. He's an IT professional and he'll tell us more about how has TrueWeight experience been and how he's coping with COVID-19, the lockdown and eating healthy in these times. So over to you Mananjay, could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Mananjay Kumar and I'm an IT professional by profession and I'm an optimist by nature. And I live in Bangalore and I joined TrueWeight in Feb 2020 and very proud to share my achievement that I have lost 8.6 kg, 2.5 months of journey.
Wow, okay.
Not only losing the weight, my medical condition has been improved. Like I have been treating with diabetes and other I have leg back pain. So really I feel very lucky that before like this COVID-19 and pandemic came, so I was prepared for that. I would say in another way, I give all the credit to TrueWeight. So my diabetic level has been reduced and it is under control. So I am very like positive in this situation. So I will give my all the credit to TrueWeight.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And so now I learned that you had diabetes, type 2 diabetes. You saying you had some body pain, and you put it very well when you said that you were somehow prepared for this because you started eating healthy beforehand. So can you tell me how easy or difficult has it been right now to focus on your health?
So it was very like easy when I started TrueWeight. So actually I saw your advertisement in Times of India.
Okay.
And I called and got your executive and who measured my like cholesterol level, diabetic level, and EMI, and I have started this program. And I would say this is the one of the best program which I found, but I found late, I would say, because I had a dream from long time to weight the loss, but my dream was without action. So what I would say, TrueWeight has added action to my dream, and which is getting converted into my achievement. So I would say I like your the way of the systematic approach of your like TrueWeight in terms of motivation, which I get every week video. So I watch all the video and I really like the superfood. Okay, and I was very like scared before starting the program. How whether I will go, I have to do the like observation and I have to be an empty stomach. But this program I found really like eating more and losing the weight, and which turned it the positive into this situation. And now I'm not getting like super food in this, but maintaining well with help of my coach Busra. So I'll give all the credit to Coach Busra. Like in this situation, I would say I'm maintaining well and I'm positive because of this weight. Because the how I'm maintaining this, because I would say a few of the things which I'm doing daily.
Yes, please.
Like I'm drinking more water, which doesn't drinking more warm water and keeping like dehydration. Like apart from this, develop another habit like walk and talk. In this situation, I'm getting a lot of call from the friend and family. So instead of sitting, I'm like walking and talking. So I'm getting into exercise and the time as well. This I'm managing like my timing and diet quality. So and also also I'm doing morning and evening yoga, and most of the time I'm watching the new channel which I got like peace of mind. So I'm doing yoga meditation and along with this keeping myself very positive.
It's really nice to see that you were actually sounding so positive, and because it's really very difficult times and people have to stay positive. We have to get through with this. So what changes have you made apart from food in your lifestyle since TrueWeight has happened?
See, I would say I was very foodie in terms of the eating. Okay. And I used to eat at a time more. So I have done major changes. What I see in terms of the eating, the one time I am eating into like 5 times.
Okay.
Like three, like I'm taking meals and two, I'm taking the media snacks. So this is the major change. And apart from this, I started drinking more water. Means my water intake was very less. So I used to drink hardly 1 liter of water. So it has been increased to 3.5 to 3 liter in average. Currently I'm drinking. And apart from this, I got a lot of motivation from your videos. So I started visualizing the things, which is not helping me only in the losing the weight, but it is also helping me in my professional career.
Oh wow. Yeah. So my next question is related to this, that with this weight loss, what changes are you feeling at an emotional level, at confidence level? What changes have you felt? Would you want to share some of those?
Sure. The major changes, what I feel, I used to be lethargic and negative due to my diabetic and health condition.
Okay.
So major changes is my diabetic is under control, and I used to have a pain in my like back pain, and that I'm very like it is almost gone. So I'm positive that is a major change I have. Apart from this, I'm feeling like energetic most of the time. Okay, so this is the changes, and also I have like acidity problem which has been reduced.
Okay.
So these are the major changes what I feel due to Trueact program.
Thank you so much. And how about your family? Has any of it been taken up by your family also? Has someone else also started eating healthy because of you?
Yes, I would say in my family they are not following the superfood at this
That's
point,
okay.
but
Yeah,
yes,
that's
they
okay.
developed the new habit. The eating instead of twice, they started eating
Okay.
So and they started drinking more water. These
Okay.
two changes I would say which I have observed in my family.
Okay. You mentioned superfoods twice. So what are your favorite superfoods?
See, really, I'll be biased if I say the one superfood is good to be transparent because I like most of the superfood. If you asking us like you're the muesli, you're the upma, means I like evening snacks like chana chur. So I will be biased if I say the one superfood is good because I like most of the superfood. It's amazing. Yeah.
Okay. And you also mentioned that actually you're now eating more than what you used to. So how is it working out now when in the times of coronavirus, when people are saying the supplies are limited and groceries limited? How are you coping with that?
Yeah, that's true. We can't deny the fact. So, yeah, currently the supply and vegetables we are not getting, and fruit what we were getting in situation. But few things in my hand, like how I'm managing in the morning as soon as I woke up. Well, I'm drinking the 2 glass of water, and then I'm taking the like light a snack, and so I would say instead of that, because carb, instead of taking more carb, I'm taking like more protein. I would say instead of taking more rice, I'm taking more pulse at this point. And I would say thanks to my like coach in this situation, I got the customized diet plan of my available food. So I'm following that.
Okay.
So a few of the items like I have at home, snacks, rice and atta. So these things have minimized. Instead of this, I'm taking more proteins like dal.
Got it. So you have what about 5 more months to go? How many more months? 4 months?
5 more months to
Five
go.
more months.
Actually, in fact, I have started the program in Feb. But due to this reason, from last 1 month, I'm not getting superfood, but I'm following customized diet. And good that the dietitian has suggested about the sprout which I have available at home.
Yes.
At my home. So instead of the free food, I'm using the more when I'm feeling more hungry. So I'm eating.
So what is your goal in the next 5 months? What is it that you want to achieve?
My goal is not to become like weight loss, because always what I found, my goal is to come down to get out from the obesity, I would say, and my goal is to reduce 25 kg.
Oh, wow. Okay. All the best with that. I'm sure we'll help you with it. So have you tried any other programs earlier, or tried to lose weight on your own earlier?
So if you say before joining Trueact,
Yes.
I tried a lot of things. Okay, running I tried. I used to go walk and run, but instead of getting like weight loss, I got the pain. Okay, and I was not able to reduce. Even I tried gym and I tried intermittent diet. Okay, but it did not give the expected result. So I would say like Trueact the program, or you are providing the things in very like systematic approach, and rather than systematic approach, you are identifying root cause of the individual and attacking on the root cause. Okay, when I say the diabetic, I was like scared to join the program, whether it will be suitable or not. But I would say I was very lucky that I got the positive things, and my diabetic levels is now under control, and due to customize that in this program. And your like app is outstanding. Like it is changing the habit in a such way I did not realize that. Okay, but I realized that I need to like log the food, and by keeping this in mind, is change my habit to have the food on time. So this is the things, and moreover, one of the video which clicked in my mind, which I think posted by Trueact about the how the Indian cricket team won the cup. So that's really the awesome, and that is my motivation, because something my weight loss which is associated with emotion, and I want to like get out at any cost.
So what is your why? Why are you doing this? What is your why? If you want to
If I
share.
say, yeah, my why is like my daughter is the
Okay.
inspiration for me, I'll say. Okay, with my daughter, she will be always pointing to me about my fat things. So I wanted to become the healthy and prove that I can come into the shape and get out from the medical
Yes,
condition.
yes, yes. Children do inspire you and motivate you to do things, and you want to be the best version of yourself, because children will emulate you. They want to become what you are, and you would want to be role models. So I can totally relate with
Right.
that, since I also have a son, and I do a lot of things just because I know he's watching me. So thank you so much. Just to close it now, would you want to give any tips to the viewers? Anything that you think they should do? What are the top tips that you would want to give anyone?
My top tips would be like in this condition, the major things we need to focus on to be positive. So
Yes.
if we are positive, the things will go better and better.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to no need to worry more, because the things which has come, we have to fight. And how we fight that in the preventive way. So we have to take the preventive measure which has been suggested by our government. And also we have to do like for the positiveness, we have to eat the healthy food
Yes.
and do the
Yes.
yoga, meditation, and some of the things which I developed like walk and talk, drinking more water. I think which should be easily available to everyone.
Thank you so much, and I think your positive vibes are just rubbing off me as well, and I'm just so happy talking to you. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Have a good
I,
day, and stay safe, stay positive during the lockdown.
yeah, thank you. Thanks for connecting me.
Yes, thanks, Mananjay.
It's my
Thanks.
pleasure to talking with you.
Same here. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.